What's up, y'all? Camera review out here. Hey, did the install on the LED kit that we did a little unbox review on the other day. So we got the truck out here. It's pretty late right now, about 11:30. I finished it at about 8 o'clock or so. It took me about 4 hours because it rained here and it got shoddy. So I had to run inside and run back out. But yeah, so we're gonna take a look here at the truck. So kind of tough to see because it's dark out, but I got my sheriff flag out of here. So just got these put on, the fuels. 33s on there. It's the 12.5 by 20. 33s by 20s by 12.5. But let's check out this LED kit. Get some light on this show. So it was pretty easy of an install. I was actually really surprised. Comes with a little remote here. Let's see. That's red, is solid color, and it's got 12 different colors. Some paper green. And what I did was I mounted right there. My module is actually right here in this little space underneath the ashtray, and I drilled a hole and routed all the wires through the center console and under the carpet here, underneath here, so I got one in the back as well. So I'm on 4 total. The pack came with 6, but it's gonna be tough to be able to get 6 because the cords aren't long enough. So I might have to extend them somehow. But we'll see about that in the future. But for now, I'm happy. I'm happy with it. I got some speakers that are about to go in as well. Over there. Purple. Back to red. You can speed these programmed light shows up and down. So it's pretty sweet. It's pretty bright. I'm surprised. Should try to get some up off the floor as well. I don't know how the cops would like that, but not really too noticeable. You can't see it, I can't see it. So maybe a little tiny bit. Nothing too crazy. Once we get the speakers and the subs in here though, come Thursday, we'll be rocking and rolling. But until then, YouTube, y'all be good.